Hello, today we will make fish. F for fish. We'll start with slight oval shape. Leave some space for mouth and then same shape below. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to look similar. To draw the mouth, an inverted 3, like this. One, two, done. Now let's draw an eye. Very nice. Let's draw a small circle inside and fill the remaining eye. You can fill it with pencil, pen, sketch pen, whatever you're using to draw. Let's draw a small curve shape behind the eye all the way to the bottom. That'll be the face of the fish. Here we will draw the fin. One, two, three. And the big tail at the back. One, two, three, four, five. And then you can draw two fins, one at the top, one at the bottom. One, two. Here's your fish. Excellent work. Now, how do we draw the letter F? It starts with a standing line, then two sleepy lines, one at the top, one in the middle. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Great work. See you in the next one.